What's up, guys? Welcome back to Big Tech Unboxing, and today we have the Sony ZV-E10. Now this camera has gotten a lot of hype over the past year that it's been out. I think it was June 2021, and we just picked it up to do our new videos on. You know, it's a very compact, very popular camera. So let's start with the unboxing and then we'll get into specs. So we got our limited warranty. Well, we picked this up from Best Buy and they said you have until the end of January, and today is November 10th, I believe. Yeah, November 10th. So have enough time, they said, if you want to return it. There is a restocking fee, 15% restocking fee. So as soon as you open the box, after the warranty, after the little tab, I believe we have the body. Let's get that out first. And the body is wrapped in this like plastic cloth like material, and this one is not just the body, it comes with the kit lens, which all the deals are going on are with the kit lens, and it's the 16-50 kit lens that it comes with. So they make it really clear that this camera shoots in 4K. It's very yeah, like I said, this camera has gotten a lot of hype over the year. Yeah, guys, so after the 6600, this camera, for the price point, is really killing the game right now. That's why we picked it up. Right now, this is going for about $7.99 with the kit lens. So besides this, let's see what else they gave us in the box. So the side is empty. And that's pretty much it for the box. So we have, they don't give this in the box. So we have a battery, one battery. We have the adapter, the power adapter. If we have the adapter, we should have the cable, USB-C. Okay, wow, was not expecting that. Okay, well, USB-C, pretty updated. We got a camera strap, and what it is, oh, I think this is for the mic. Yeah, this is for the mic, so if there's any wind, and it hooks onto this mount right here, covers the mic, so that if there's any wind, you won't get that staticky noise on the side, and more of whoever's talking in the video. And one battery, and I'm pretty sure this battery has been used on previous Sony cameras. So if you do already have a Sony camera, this is the battery that it uses, and if you have multiple of them from before, you should be good to go. All right, so putting all this aside, so this camera, the Sony ZV-E10, is 343 grams, its weight. It has a 24.2 megapixel APS-C, so crop sensor. The screen is 3 inches. It flips out and it also turns. So yeah, side and flip out. Records in Ultra HD 4K. And the autofocus on this, I have heard, even when I was buying the camera, the sales rep was telling me that it is amazing. Specifically 425 point fast autofocus. Has an E-mount lens. So the lens on the ZV-E10 is interchangeable. You could get more lens. You know, I think this is a very, very good upgrade from the Sony ZV-1, where the lens is fixed and you could just zoom in and zoom out. But yeah, this camera is a really good upgrade from that. We have no viewfinder, mainly because this camera is focused on video for more like vloggers recording 4K video, you know, hence the side screen when you look at it. That is why they don't have a viewfinder, and the camera does not have flash either, so you would need to have an external flash. And this camera has built-in image stabilization. So let's put in the battery and let's see how it looks. Let's see how the firmware looks. So hopefully this battery is charged, please. And come on. No. Nope. Not charged. So I will get this charged and come back to you guys. Anyways, so before I charge it, I just wanted to take a look at the camera in general. A couple key points I did notice is that yes, we do have the shutter button, but we also have a dedicated record button. As you can see, this camera is very focused on video recording. We have our SNQ, video record, and then camera for dedicated pictures. We have ISO, display, you know, the regular buttons, but over here we have our ports, and as you can see, we have USB-C for charging. We have a mini HDMI port for your external viewfinders, and then we have the microphone jack right there if you want to do external micro jack. Mic jack. Then we have our mounting point here. That is the battery door, and yeah, this is very compact. You could see, compared to the size of my hands, how small it is. And we do have an interchangeable lens, as you can see right there. So this is just the body. The body I believe you could get for about I forgot the exact price point, but I think it was around $6.99, but like $100 less. But with the kit lens, it's $7.99. I asked if there were gonna be any Black Friday deals, but no, according to Best Buy as of now, no, there aren't. And usually what the rep was telling me was that the Best Buy deals are usually for cameras that are like 8 years old already. So if you're into that, yeah, so this most likely won't be on sale since it's relevantly new. But yeah, guys, so that's it for the unboxing, and we will be doing a review shortly, and any other content we record after this will most likely be from this camera. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that bell for new video updates and notifications. See ya.